Hi, this is Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review video of the new AI software program called SagaPost Story Engine. Living, breathing stories, endless episodes. Welcome to the never-ending story machine. Set up your world once. Saga remembers every chapter, plot, twist, then generates the next episode forever. Now, if you ever want to make money on Amazon, this is one of the newest systems that's using the power of AI. And if you want to, I'm going to go through some of this, but if you want a lot more information, go through the page, click the link below, and read through this. This is really a new twist in making money with KDP. They generate text, they don't build worlds. Almost every AI story generator is a one-time machine wearing a storyteller's costume. Bring it for one page. The moment you want a second episode, it cracks open. So folks, the difference between a story and a story engine is memory. So now this system, this new system, is using the power of AI that no one's ever done. So you'll be able to make episodes and get people hooked on your stories. And you make unlimited episodes. So as I said before, just using the power of AI, everyone wants to use AI and make millions of dollars. That can happen, but it will take time. Build characters readers fall in love with. So folks, this is a new system. It's a reasonable price. If you want to make money with KDP, this is definitely one of your best options today. Click the link below to get started today, or go to this website and read more. It's plenty of information on here, but it's straightforward and there's nothing really hidden or complicated. Anyone can do this. Okay, this is Larry Kearney. Make sure you click the link below to get more information so you can start making money, finally start making money with KDP Amazon. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and I'll see everyone in the next video.